So here's a buck we nicknamed Hook. Started getting the pictures of him in mid-October of 2019. I passed him up that year, hoping that he'd turn into a giant the next year. So 2020 rolled around and started getting multiple pictures of Hook again. This time, I knew he was a deer I wanted to harvest. He was on my #1 hit list. So crops are finally out, my bow tag is filled, and gun season is right around the corner. So I heard a first gunshot go off, and it wasn't long, and the deer started moving through. Had deer coming from every direction, all headed straight towards the clear cut. Interesting. Just had about 20 deer run through here. Somebody shot down the way. One pretty nice one we call a crab claw 9. Gonna be a good one next year. So a few minutes had passed. I looked over to my left, and here come Hook up the draw. So a few minutes later, this small A-pointer come walking past my tree. So at this point I'm thinking, this is the last buck going past my tree. Hook's bound to head our way. So as I suspected, here come Hook, headed my way. So when I reached for my gun, the small buck that just passed my tree saw me grab my gun. So at this point I thought, this is it. He's gonna turn and go the other way. Got Hook. 5-year-old. Been waiting on him for 2 years. What a morning. He has come trying to creep through here. Didn't work out so good for him. Well, just like that, she's over. Had a chance at Hook this morning, and the track job's gonna be short because he dropped right in a pile just on top of this hill. So why don't you folks come with us and we'll go take a look at him. Well, here he is, the buck we nicknamed Hook. Last year we had tons of trail camera pictures of him. He had a big hook coming off his base. That's where gave him his nickname Hook. Last year, right around the same time, the tree we call Trusty, I ended up passing this deer up. I thought one more year and we're gonna be ready to hunt him. We feel like he's 5 years old. In Minnesota, when they come 5, on my farm I start hunting them. You either get them or you don't, but the story for Hook finally came to an end, and I couldn't be happier.